Okay, we're working on our Silverado today, and I just scanned the system, and we can see that there is no ABS controller showing up here. It turns out that the ABS controller on this Silverado is underneath on the chassis, and what I got is I got a scope hooked up to the let's see, to the ABS box, and you can see there's a little bit of chatter there. I'm on 50 millivolts per division, which is a very super tiny signal. So that's coming off of the ABS, which isn't going to do much for us. What I did is I unplugged the control class 2 data communication off of the ABS box, and I hooked this wire up here. There's a little wire that's going into the ABS box pin, which is, I think it's a light blue wire. A9 is the pin. This other red wire here is coming from the truck. So right now, since the connector is not in there, the truck class 2 communication is not going to the ABS box. But if I take the truck class 2 communication and I tap it on here, you can see the voltage level is quite high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on 2.5 volts per division, and if I put the truck class 2 and shoot that into the ABS box, the truck itself is providing a very healthy communication signal. But when I take the truck communication off and leave the ABS box, you can't see anything on there until you reduce the magnitude down. And right now it's picking up some noise too. But anyway, I'm going to say that this ABS box underneath here is suspicious and broken, so we'll be replacing that so we can get the ABS to scan again and be recognized by the scanner and computer system of the truck. Okay, that's what the connector looks like underneath the chassis. And if we look at A9, it's a light blue. It's class 2 serial data communication. This is on a little heavier duty ABS braking system. So there was 2 possibilities, and that's what my system looks like. This is the back of the wire connector, and you can see the colors. So over here on the left side on the bottom, that's where the light blue class 2 wire is on A9. And then over here on the A1 side, you can see there's it's a yellow and a dark green. So the yellow and dark green are over here on the right side, and then the class 2 is over on the left side. And so that's another view of what the a connector looks like. So that's what's going on with the communications. I did check the other connector going into the controller box, and it had 12 volts across the black and red wire. So we're going to say that this ABS unit needs to be swapped out. It's not able to communicate on the bus any longer. Anyway, hopefully you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.